Seaborn is a statistical plotting library in Python. It's built on top of matplotlib, which means when you run a Seaborn command, it runs a set of matplotlib commands under the hood. It's built with beautiful default styles for the graph, which makes it easier to read and comprehend. Seaborn is designed to work very well with pandas data frame objects, and therefore it's the go-to library for plotting data in Python. To install the Seaborn package, you would need to use the commands conda install Seaborn if you are using the anaconda prompt, or otherwise pip install Seaborn if you are using the command prompt. So Seaborn can be used for analyzing different types of data by using different types of plots for numerical data, for categorical data, and even for data in matrix format. So let's start by importing our libraries and some data to work with.